Hi everyone, this is Deepthi Stephens and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a fun technique based. I discovered it when I was working on coloring skin tones with different coloring mediums project, and I named it as Faux watercolored images with alcohol markers. Here I have used Sizzix alcohol markers, but any alcohol markers will do this technique. For this, you'll need some stamps, a pretty thin cardstock, an alcohol-friendly ink and alcohol markers. Alcohol inks bleed through the thin cardstock, which is quite necessary for this technique. Choose the stamps that have more scope for coloring. Just go for the outline stamps. First, stamp the image over the cardstock and color it with some bright colors. There is no need for shading or any fancy coloring techniques, just color it, and I really enjoyed this process a lot. Once the coloring part was done, flip over the cardstock and yeah, there we have it, a beautiful faux watercolored image. This is so cool, so pretty and so beautiful. I didn't edit few clips as I want you to show how the images look on screen, but in real life these cards are really pretty. I added splatters of black carbon ink and finished the cards with sentiments from the coordinating stamp sets. I used Birthday Boy, Birthday Girl and Dad You Rock stamp sets, and these are all one layer cards. I hope you like the technique and give it a try. All the supply list, product details and other links are listed below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I'll see you next time.